Smoke some.
This fat ass case I got. Look like I got a fat ass drum in my pocket.
Hey, that bitch nice. That bitch clean.
You smoking that one?
I don't know, bro. I can't underestimate nobody in this bitch, bro. Look at that thing.
Daytona got SRT in the side. Fucking Daytona. SRT. For no reason.
Stupid ass loud. I was like,
I'm a fucking part not even going nowhere.
my dude smoked him in his Audi, and I smoked him. Cause I raced as that white one, bro. But I jumped, so I try to run it back. He didn't want to. He's like, nah.
He was scared. He said, he was gonna lose that one.
And then I
That
stopped.
one or this one?
What?
The one that you raced?
That was that one. Cause that one's so supercharged. That's CTSV.
That's the TRX right there.
Now look at that.
You got him, Leo? You got him? Hey, you should. You said you should, right? You should.
That motherfucker tinted. Here, record that. I'm gonna spark my wood.